Stargazing is the observation of celestial objects and phenomena in the night sky. It's a popular hobby that allows people to appreciate the beauty of the cosmos, including stars, planets, the moon, and other celestial bodies. One fascinating aspect of stargazing is identifying constellations, patterns of stars that form recognizable shapes. Here's a guide on how to get started with stargazing and identifying constellations. Getting started with stargazing. Choose the right time and location. Pick a night with clear skies and minimal light pollution. The best times for stargazing are typically when the moon is not too bright, such as during a new moon. Find a location away from city lights to maximize visibility. Use astronomy apps. Download astronomy apps on your smartphone or tablet to help identify constellations. Apps like Skyview, Stellarium, or Starwalk can provide real-time information about celestial objects visible in your location. Learn the basics of the night sky. Familiarize yourself with the major constellations, the North Star, Polaris, and prominent planets. Understanding the layout of the night sky makes it easier to navigate and locate specific constellations. Identifying constellations. Start with recognizable constellations. Begin by identifying some of the more well-known constellations that are visible in different seasons. Examples include Orion, recognizable by the three aligned belt stars. Ursa Major, Big Dipper, a prominent asterism with a distinct shape. Cassiopeia, a, W, or M shape in the northern sky. Use star patterns. Constellations are often defined by patterns of stars. Look for shapes like triangles, squares, or curves. Focus on the brighter stars within a constellation to outline its form. Use stellar landmarks. Use bright stars or celestial landmarks as reference points. For example, the North Star, Polaris, is part of the Little Dipper, and it remains relatively stationary in the northern sky. Learn constellation stories. Many constellations have myths and stories associated with them from various cultures. Learning these stories can add a cultural and historical dimension to your stargazing experience. Use a planisphere. A planisphere is a star chart that shows the position of celestial objects for a specific date and time. Rotate the planisphere to match the date and time, and it will display the constellations visible in the night sky. Use a star chart. Printable star charts or online resources provide visual guides to the night sky. You can find charts for specific months and locations to help identify constellations. Practice constellation hopping. Once you've identified a known constellation, use it as a starting point to find adjacent constellations. This technique, known as constellation hopping, helps you explore the night sky systematically. Attend stargazing events. Local astronomy clubs and organizations often host stargazing events where experienced astronomers guide participants in identifying constellations and celestial objects. Attendees can use telescopes and binoculars provided by the organizers. Be patient. Stargazing and identifying constellations can take time and practice. Be patient, and allow your eyes to adjust to the darkness for better visibility. Keep a stargazing journal. Document your stargazing experiences in a journal. Note the date, time, location, and any celestial objects or constellations you observed. This can be a helpful reference for future stargazing sessions. Remember that the night sky changes throughout the year, so you'll have the opportunity to observe different constellations during different seasons. Stargazing is a rewarding hobby that allows you to connect with the vastness of the universe and gain a deeper appreciation for the wonders of the night sky.